See next problem. Height of TV tower is 600 meter at a given place. Calculate its coverage range if the radius of the earth is 6400 kilometer. What should be the height to get the double coverage area? Height of the TV tower is denoted by h. Therefore, h is equal to, we can write 600 meter. Radius of the earth is denoted by capital R, 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 means 6400 kilometer means 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. 6400 into 10 to the power 3 and it is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. We have to determine the range. Calculate its coverage range. Coverage range means distance. We have to determine the maximum distance up to which this signal can reach. And we have to again determine the height of the antenna. What should be the height of the antenna in order to double the range? What should be the height of antenna in order to double the area covered by the antenna? In order to double the area, we have the expression for range, maximum distance covered by the antenna. D is equal to under root of 2HR. H is the height of the antenna and R is the radius. Therefore, D is equal to under root of 2 into 600 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6, because the value of H is 600 into value of R is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. Therefore, D is equal to, we can write 2 into 600 means 1200 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. This can be written as D is equal to 120 into 10. 120 into 10 and this 10 into 6.4 means 64. 120 into 64 into 10 to the power 6. Under root of 120 as it is, under root of 64 is 8 and under root of 10 to the power 6 is 10 to the power 3. Therefore, D is equal to, the value of under root of 120 is equal to 10.95. See in the log table, the value of under root of 120 is equal to 10.95 into 8 as it is and 10 to the power 3 as it is. 8 into 10.95 is equal to 87.6 into 10 to the power 3 as it is. This is the distance or range in meters. 10 to the power 3 means kilometer. Therefore, D is equal to 87.6 kilometer. This is the range, or this is the coverage range of the tower. Similarly, again we have to determine the value of height of the tower in order to cover the double area. Now see how to solve. We have D is equal to under root of 2HR, where H is the height of the tower, means height of the antenna, R is the radius of the earth and D is the range. Squaring on both sides, we get D square is equal to 2HR. Multiplying on both sides by pi D square is equal to pi 2HR, where here D means radius, means distance, maximum distance, and for this region it is the radius. Therefore, pi into R square means pi D square, it is the area covered. It is denoted by letter A. Therefore, A is equal to pi 2HR. If R is the radius of the earth, it is constant. Pi is constant. Therefore, we can write A is directly proportional to H. A is directly proportional to H. It indicates that अगर एरिया ट्वाइस करना है तो हाइट भी ट्वाइस करनी पड़ेगी. Now see, initial height of the tower is given 600 meter. Now calculate the new height, means we have to determine the h dash. How to calculate the value of h dash? We know that A is directly proportional to H, therefore we can write A1 divided by A2 is equal to H1 divided by H2. What is the A1? A1 is area. Initial area is denoted by A. What is A2? Final area. Final area कितना होना चाहिए? Twice होना चाहिए. Twice of the initial area. Therefore, अगर initial area A है तो final area 2A is equal to initial height 600. We have to determine the final height, means we have to calculate the value of H2. AA will be get cancelled. 1 by 2 is equal to 600 divided by H2. Taking the cross multiplication, H2 is equal to 2 into 600. Therefore, H2 is equal to 1200 meter. Means in order to increase, in order to double the area covered, we have to double the height of the tower. Thank you.